Okay, so today for this video, I'm going to be talking about, by the title. No, here, you could just see it. You could just see it by my 5th grade drawing. I can draw better than this, alright? Still don't get it? It's night owls. We're going to be talking about night owls. The night of night owls. Alright, let's do this. It's time for bed. Because I remember last night, you were super uncomfortable, and I was looking on my iPad for hours. And now that you're in the morning, I found out you were super comfortable. Now let's just put my stuff down. Oh. Not comfortable at all. One second. Mom, can you turn on the AC? Okay, thank you. It's a lot colder in here, and I should be able to get to sleep. Okay, this is still uncomfortable. But I think a little bit of YouTube would help it. Where'd my necklace go? Here it is. Oh snap! Oh, Jemai just uploaded it. Oh wait, that was 3 weeks ago. Oh Snapple! I forgot. Oh my gosh, I forgot about the lyrics for the new diss track. Oh, this is gonna be so cool. Okay, now that's taken care of, and I feel like I'm about to fall asleep. I think a little bit more YouTube would help. This, and I think it is time to fall asleep. No.
It's time to wake up.
Are you serious right now?
Yes, I am. So why don't you get up, you big tart?
Yeah, so it's basically the life of a night owl. But now I'm no early bird, but I am an early bird. I'm both a night owl and an early bird. Yeah. What I would be then? Huh? What's the thing that goes in? I'd be a wolf. I'd be a neutral wolf. Anyway, let me just try to see what the life of a early bird would look like. Let's see if I'm correct. Time to go to sleep and get a night's rest. Time to sleep so I can get enough rest for tomorrow for school and take good notes and everything.
Wake up.
Okay. I need to change my clothes. Alright. Done. I'm fully changed. I changed everything about me. Pass on my test. So yeah. Oh, my glasses. Don't look at me. Don't look. If you didn't know, I broke my glasses. So yeah.
Get outside.
What? You didn't even use a basketball. You used a football, and then you just rushed it.
The F trying to nut in my butt.
Oh!
Oh, see, can you my gosh.
Hey guys, I'm back. Wait a minute. Really? Really, Zaya? You broke my glasses. Also want to comment down below if that's accurate. And look at my drawing. Look at my little drawing. It looks horrible. Anyway, I also want to try one more thing. No, you can't try that. You can't try that. I'm not gonna let you take all those pictures. No. Not on my phone. Not on my phone. Even though it's both of our phones. No, this is Future Kid, and I'm not letting you take that photo. I'm editing it so I can do whatever I want. How about that? How you feel about that? I can do that if I want you to. So if you could just get out of here and go back to sleep, you neutral wolf. Also, comment down below if you like the card poll. Yeah, I just figured out how to do it. Thank you, computer. I also have footage for the night owl or early bird or neutral wolf or whatever video. So this is gonna be the outro instead, just like the other one. How I lost the intro for the Ice Bucket Challenge one. So yeah, when I was like 3 years late, so I don't even care. So okay, that's been it for this video. Look, if you saw, make sure to like the video. Comment on what you should do next and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Why am I losing so much footage all of a sudden? Why am I talking so fast? I can't even talk that fast. People could probably beat me in a talking contest to say Maryland had a little land so as sleet as white as snow, even though it's basically snowing outside, even though we're in Texas. And Arizona probably never even gets snow ever, because I watched that video with James and Jaden and so there was my team, even though he doesn't even live in Arizona. Anyway, goodbye.